Today, we're diving deep into a machine that's been making serious waves in the automotive world. The all-new 2026 Mazda RX-6, a name that brings back rotary nostalgia, but with a modern twist that screams performance, design, and innovation. Buckle up, because we're taking this review to the limit. Let's start right at the front, and wow, Mazda nailed it. The RX-6 greets you with an aggressive stance that blends Japanese precision with futuristic vibes. The headlights are sleek LED blades that stretch toward the fenders like claws, merging into the bodywork with a sharp, almost predatory edge. The grille is bold but not overbearing, finished in gloss black with a reinterpreted Mazda emblem that's illuminated in certain trims. And if you're wondering, yes, there are active air intakes flanking the lower fascia, giving it both performance, functionality, and style. The front hood's creases create a muscular flow, subtly hinting at what lies underneath without shouting. It's elegant, it's mean. It's Mazda taking a bold step forward, moving along the side. The RX-6 has that low-slung sports coupe silhouette we all crave. It rides on standard 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, with optional carbon fiber accents if you're going for the GT performance package. The roofline flows with almost zero disruption thanks to frameless doors and hidden pillars, which gives the side profile a sculpted, aerodynamic shape. Side vents just behind the front wheels aren't just for show either, they actively channel heat away from the brake system. The fenders are flared just enough to show muscle without being cartoonish. It's balanced design at its finest. Now, inside the RX-6, Mazda's minimalist philosophy gets a luxurious, tech-driven upgrade. As soon as you step in, you're greeted with a cockpit that's entirely driver-focused. The seats are low-slung, with bolstering that hugs you like a race harness, wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather. The steering wheel is compact, flat-bottomed, and covered in hand-stitched leather. With paddle shifters mounted in aluminum, the dash is sleek and clean, with a 12.9-inch OLED display that merges seamlessly into the center console. It's not just beautiful, it's responsive and intuitive. No unnecessary buttons, just tactile toggles for drive modes and climate control. The infotainment runs Mazda's new MX Connect OS, compatible with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and it has built-in AI for voice commands. Audiophiles, you're covered to a 14-speaker Bose 3D surround system is standard in all trims. Space-wise, the RX-6 is a 2-2 layout. Rear seats are there, but let's be real, they're more for style or small passengers. The materials throughout the cabin feel premium soft-touch panels, brushed aluminum accents, and in the Carbon Edition, you get real carbon fiber inlays across the dash and doors. Mazda has elevated its game here. This isn't just a driver's car, it's an experience. Around the back, the RX-6 brings serious heat. The taillights are ultra-slim LEDs that wrap around the rear corners with a unique 3D effect when lit up. The trunk lip features an integrated ducktail spoiler that aids downforce without ruining the clean lines. Below, you'll find a sculpted diffuser housing quad exhaust tips. Yes, quad in their functional. The exhaust note? It's sharp, it's raspy, and it carries the spirit of the RX legacy. The rear design is where the RX-6 whispers, "I'm not just pretty, I'm fast too." Speaking of fast, let's talk performance. Under the hood, Mazda has reintroduced the rotary engine, but this time it's part of a plug-in hybrid setup. The twin-rotor engine acts as a range extender for the electric motor, delivering power when needed but preserving efficiency during city driving. The electric motor alone pushes out around 280 horsepower, and when combined with the rotary generator, you're looking at a total system output of 370 horsepower and 370 pounds-ft of torque. 0 to 60 comes in around 4.4 seconds, and top speed is electronically limited to 165 miles per hour. The RX-6 isn't just fast in a straight line, it handles. Thanks to a nearly perfect 50/50ths weight distribution, double wishbone suspension up front, and an active rear differential, it corners with precision. Steering is tight, responsive, and the adaptive dampers adjust in milliseconds based on terrain and driving mode. There's also a dedicated track mode that stiffens everything up and sends more torque to the rear. Braking is handled by Brembo 4-piston calipers up front, 2-piston in the rear with ventilated discs all around. Mazda's EG vectoring Control Plus system adds that extra layer of responsiveness when cornering aggressively. This is the most performance-focused road car Mazda has built in decades, and it shows. Finally, let's talk price. The 2026 Mazda RX-6 starts at $48,900 for the base touring model, which already gives you the rotary electric powertrain, full tech suite, and premium interior. The mid-tier GT trim comes in at around $56,000 and adds performance suspension, upgraded brakes, and cosmetic enhancements. The Carbon Edition Mazda's flagship RX-6 tops out at $64,000. But for the carbon bits, sport bucket seats, and exclusive tuning tweaks, it's worth it for the enthusiast. To wrap this up, the 2026 Mazda RX-6 is not just a revival, it's a statement. A bold mix of heritage and futuristic engineering. Whether you're in it for the design, the performance, or the thrill of driving something truly unique, the RX-6 delivers. If you're looking for a new daily driver meets track toy, this might be the best thing you'll see this year. That's it for today's breakdown on Gearstorm. Hit that like button if the RX-6 got your heart racing, and subscribe if you live and breathe horsepower. Catch you in the next ride. Peace.